sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install the OP25 software. Now, if we look at my website here, I have the BoatBot version, but we're going to be focused on the this version here. I did a walkthrough sort of how to set this one up, so I figured let's go ahead and do this one because it's basically the same software, different features and web GUI and things like that. So we're going to do a couple part, at least a two-part video ordeal with this. The first one, part one, will be mainly just let's get the software on the Pi or whatever you may be running this on. But I'm going to be using a Pi 3B Plus for this, so I'm using the latest image from the Raspberry Pi website. So let's get started. So we're just going to do the following here, and like I said, this is only going to be how to install, and basically let's get it on the Pi. So let's move this off the screen here. So we're going to go ahead and just start with an update like always. This is a fresh install, so there's nothing on here. So we may run into a couple dependencies maybe be missing, but we'll see. Alright, so now with that, let's go ahead and make sure we have Git installed. Then we can clone this. Now, we could put this wherever you feel like, but I'm just going to throw it on the main directory here. And to install this is pretty straightforward. Once this is done cloning, we're just going to cd into the OP25 directory and run the install.sh file and sit back and wait till it's done. Alright, so now we have it installed. So if we just do an ls, as you can see, here it is. So we'll just do a cd o tab to finish it out. Then if we do another ls, you can see we have the install. So all we need to do here is /install.sh. Then we'll just let that run. And this will download and install everything that we need. So, which obviously is going to take a little bit. So I'll pause it, be back. Alright, so we're slowly making some headway here. Now obviously if this was on a Pi 4 or whatnot, we'd probably be done already. But it's coming along. Alright, so now it is installed. Alright, so now that it's installed, as you can see here, if you want to do this option, we'll need to install this package here. So we're just going to go ahead and install it. If we don't use it, we don't use it, but at least it's installed. So we'll just go ahead and install that guy. Alright, so now that it's installed, we're just going to go ahead and do a reboot on it. Alright, so now that we're back in, so like I said, if we do an ls, we could see we have OP25. So if we do a cd OP25, then you can see that we have another directory. So we need to go under that one. And we need to go under the repeater one. Then, if we do another ls, we need to go under the apps directory. So now, this is where the fun begins. So this is where we can run the command to start the software, and this is where we need to add our information, basically, in the frequency and whatnot in order to receive phase 1 and 2 information, and a variety of other different things. But like I said, that'll be in the part 2. But for now, if we just do a rx.py just to start the software, if we go over here and open up a terminal, let's see here. Alright, so if we just, for example, run the following command here, so we can pull up the interface, and we'll just go ahead and start that. I got an RTL plugged into the Pi. So if we go to the IP address of the Pi using port 8080, we can look at the GUI for this software. So as you can see, this is the software running in the web browser, and we got a lot of different things we can do here. So we can't look at logs. Alright, so we're back now. But anyway, as you can see, we got a lot of different things that we can do here. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and we'll set it up and see if we can get this thing to work. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.